Don't forget, this is a 360 video, so feel free to look around and see all the aspects of the video. You can do this on a phone, computer, tablet, or even with a VR headset. If you have any problems, check out the video in the description, how to view videos on YouTube in 360. Stand here, right here with us and look at it.
I don't want to look at it. I want
That wraps up our latest 360 video. If you guys liked what you saw, please hit that like button down below. You got anything you want to talk about or mention, leave us a comment. We'd love to chat. And if you want to see more 360 videos like this and drone videos and other just travel videos, give us a subscribe. We'd love to have you guys follow us. It really means a lot. And we'll see you guys in the next trip.